तळेबांद शेळावलीची शेतां पुरोवन वेस्टर्न बायपासाचें काम करचें न्हय अशी मागणी करीत काणा बाणावलेच्या गांवकारांनी पंचायतीन खासा बसका घेतली। पयलींच हो बुट्टी येवपी वाठार, तातूंत शेतां पुरयली जाल्यार मोठी बुट्टी येवं येता अशें थळावे लोक सांगतात। ह्या तरेचो हुस्को गांवकारांनी व्यक्त केला। स्टिल्टा वयल्यान वेस्टर्न बायपास व्हरचे अशी मागणी थळाव्यांनी केल्या। ह्या विशीं पंचायतीचो आदोगाद काडून न्यायालयान याचिका दाखल करपाचो ठराव पंचायतीन घेतला। इतल्या मजगतीं पंचायतीन सकाळ 9:30 वरांचेर आपयल्ली बसका दनपारच्या 12:30 वरांचेर सरपंच आनी सचिव आयिल्ल्यान लोकांक बरोच राग आयिल्लो।
In 2010, there's an action taken report done by the South Goa Collectorate in terms of disaster management, and titun dekun specify kelle when the western bypass will come towards Thaleband or Kharyaband area in Benavli, it will lead to more flooding. Itli evidence astana, and if you go to the disaster management plan, even from 2000, you will see that Thaleband area is a flood-prone area, and it is specified. So when it is already there, why shouldn't the government consider a proposal given by the villages to give it on stilts? Is justice delayed? Is justice denied? When action could be taken way back in June and even much earlier, when the panchayat was informed, there were people agitating peacefully, never stopped any work, protest kelle, appeal kelle, even at the Ministry of Environment's office through the Biodiversity Board, the panchayat sarpanch as well as the biodiversity chairman, who happens to be the deputy sarpanch of the village, were called. And even there we have been working much before the petition was filed. But the panchayat did not cooperate, or you can say the ruling did not cooperate in putting the western bypass on stilts.
Not allowed secretary हांव हे न्ही ना पूण तूं पार्ट न्हू पंचायतीचो पार्ट आमकां प्रेसा वचपा जाल्यार पंचायत हे घेवपा पडटा परमिशन टू फायल केस हाय कोर्ट
but high court has overruled this. High court has given a judgment.
See, it is panchayat decision. Panchayat has taken decision.
But you cannot overrule high court.
Panchayat,
high court
I don't know. That conversation between advocate and between panchayat has done. So let's see what advocate do.